For this tutorial game for the children, what I've decided to do is have them uncover the picture by answering questions in these 9 cells, and the cues for those questions are going to be in these 9 over here. And so I've created a similar block of 9 cells. But now we have to cover up the pictures and make a background so that students can't see what's behind it, giving them an element of surprise. But before we do that, I need to make sure that I know where these blocks are going to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the first block and select all of the blocks, the question blocks and the answer blocks here. And now I'm going to have to give them a border so I know where those blocks are when the entire sheet becomes one color. I go to my borders command on my toolbar, and I just select the one that gives me all borders. And we can change the colors of the borders and the width and all that, but I'm just going to leave those at the default setting now. And now we want to select the entire sheet to make it one color to cover up the background picture. And just remember here that the last 3 columns, D, E, and F, and 3 rows, 1, 2, and 3, are going to be where our questions are. So just keep that in mind as we cover this up. In order to select the whole sheet, I'm going to select the gray area here. I'm going to click on this gray area in the top left corner of the sheet, and that will select the entire sheet. And now I'm going to give it a color that will cover up the picture. And in order to do that, I'm going to right click, and going down to Format Cells, I'll click on that. Let me move the window up a bit. And I go to Patterns, and the color that I want to use is a nice cool light blue, and I'll click OK. And you'll see here that the picture disappears. And then the next step, we will be looking at how to remove the color from these 9 blocks in order to reveal the picture behind it.